Today we're comparing the Pioneer DJ DDJ-REV1 and the Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX to deliver the clear answer you need. We've put both through their paces to give you the clear, unbiased truth you need to decide, directly addressing the biggest challenges in choosing your first or next DJ controller. Stick with us, and you'll walk away knowing exactly which one is tailor-made for your specific pain points and daily demands. But there's one surprising factor coming up later that could completely change your mind. First off, let's tackle a major point of contention for many aspiring DJs: how the controller feels when you're mixing or scratching. Both the Pioneer DJ DDJ-REV1 and the Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX feature large, capacitive touch jog wheels crucial for precise control. The DDJ-REV1 boasts significantly larger jog wheels, the same size as those on Pioneer's higher-end DDJ-SR2. This larger surface is a game-changer for scratch DJs, offering more tactile control and a feel that emulates professional turntables. Many users, especially those focusing on open format or battle styles, find this size a serious advantage. However, the Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX brings its own unique twist. Built-in high-resolution displays right in the center of its 6-inch jog wheels. This is a killer feature that provides critical song information at a glance: BPM, platter position, time remaining, pitch adjustment, and key. You don't have to constantly look up at your laptop screen, which drastically improves your workflow and allows you to stay focused on your mix. While the DDJ-REV1's jogs are great for scratching, the lack of these displays can be a frustrating drawback for DJs who prioritize visual feedback directly on their deck. What do you think? Are jog wheel displays a must-have for your style? Let me know in the comments below. Now, let's talk about adding flair and creativity to your sets. Both controllers are deeply integrated with Serato DJ Lite and are upgrade-ready for Serato DJ Pro. The Pioneer DJ DDJ-REV1 shines with its lever FX paddles, mimicking the feel of high-end battle mixers like Pioneer's DJ-MS series. You can pull the levers down for momentary effects bursts or push them up to lock effects on, freeing your hands for scratching. It also uniquely features tracking scratch, which automatically pulls the music back to a cue point when you move the jog wheel backward or lift your hand. This is a fantastic cheater feature for beginners learning to scratch, offering immediate gratification and a helping hand in your journey. The Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX counters with its own set of paddle triggers for Serato's built-in software effects, with quick access buttons for essential effects like echo, reverb, flanger, phaser, HPF, and LPF. Its strength lies in its 4-deck layering capability, a significant advantage for those who want to create complex mixes and mashups on the fly. While the DDJ-REV1 is primarily a 2-deck controller, the Mixtrack Platinum FX lets you easily switch between and control 4 virtual decks, offering more creative freedom for multi-track layering. For many DJs, especially those who prefer traditional mixing over heavy scratching, the ability to effortlessly manage 4 decks is a clear win. Finally, let's consider how these controllers fit into your setup and on the go. Both units are USB bus powered, making them incredibly convenient for portable setups. Just plug into your laptop and you're good to go. They both include a built-in audio interface, so you don't need additional gear to get sound out to your speakers and headphones. The Pioneer DJ DDJ-REV1 offers AA 1/4-inch mic input and RCA master outputs, standard for entry-level controllers. A unique advantage here, especially for streamers, is that the DDJ-REV1's microphone audio is integrated directly into the master output via USB, making it much easier to live stream your sets without external mixers. Its battle-style layout means the tempo sliders are horizontally positioned above the decks, which takes a little getting used to if you're accustomed to traditional club layouts, but offers more space around the central mixer. The Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX also features AA 1/4-inch mic input and RCA outputs. While it lacks the integrated mic audio for streaming, its layout is more aligned with classic DJ setups, which can feel more intuitive for beginners transitioning from other gear. The Mixtrack Platinum FX feels robust for an entry-level controller, but some users have reported minor grounding issues with its capacitive jog wheels, which can occasionally affect responsiveness, a minor drawback, but one worth noting. Overall, both are excellent portable solutions, but the DDJ-REV1 gets a slight edge for streamers due to its microphone integration. After dissecting every angle and every pain point, the Pioneer DJ DDJ-REV1 emerges as the absolute champion for most aspiring DJs, particularly those interested in scratching, open format DJing, or live streaming. It's larger, responsive jog wheels, and the intuitive lever FX paddles offer an authentic battle experience, making it a no-brainer for performance-oriented DJs. The tracking scratch feature is a unique tool that genuinely assists beginners in mastering scratch techniques, making its Focus 2 deck control easily forgivable for the immense value it provides to this niche. That being said, if your absolute non-negotiable priority is visual feedback directly on your jog wheels and the ability to control 4 decks simultaneously for more layered mixes, then the Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX remains a genuinely strong contender. It's the right fit for the DJ who values intuitive visual cues and extended mixing possibilities, and isn't solely focused on scratching. There you have it, the full picture. If this video truly helped you decide and you're ready to tackle your DJing journey, please consider giving it a like and dropping a quick comment below telling us which controller won you over. Your support helps us deliver more unbiased reviews. And to ensure you never miss our next in-depth analysis, definitely subscribe to the channel. For the latest pricing and details on both the Pioneer DJ DDJ-REV1 and the Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX, you'll find them conveniently linked right below. We'll see you in the next one.